Damn, Capricorn, I just recorded a video of yours and I was like going off. And then all of a sudden it just stopped. I don't even think I was even recording that whole time. Must be a sign because I was going off. Now I gotta start your reading over. Maybe I was wrong. Let's try this again. Here we go. What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Glow and this is gonna be for Capricorn. That's so annoying. I was like, and wait a minute. Capricorn. The Star. Wow. Clemency and equilibrium. Protects against attacks in the courts. So you're divinely protected right now for sure with the Star card. You're talented, you're gifted. The Star card. There's people believe in you. Like there's hope in your eyes. You've got hope. Someone's very hopeful. Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles is the slowest moving knight in the deck. Why is this here? What's slowing down? It could be slow down in like finances or something taking off. Yeah, with the Knight of Pentacles. That's okay, like keep at it. The Star card, it like, I don't know, maybe you're wishing for something too much, Knight of Pentacles, and the work that's required for this Star card to get to this level here, Knight of Pentacles, it's like either not being done or it's been slowed down. Like something, it's like the energy required for this star to like light up is slow right now. Knight of Pentacles. But it's like slow and steady. I don't know, I see like a flickering light. Knight of Pentacles. And it's like, it could go either way. It could either go out or stay on, but it's not consistent here. The Empress. Knight of Pentacles. Wow, you have the Star and the Empress. But then you have this slow-moving knight here. Knight of Pentacles. What are you doing? It's like something that you do every day. Something about your routine. The Empress. Your routine is starting to show. The Empress, you're like producing a lot. The Star card. Knight of Pentacles. Something here is not an overnight journey. There's a lot of things being taken care of in the background with the Knight of Pentacles. A lot of like paperwork that needs to be signed here. But I feel like you pretty much have something in the bag. It's just being slowed down by like paperwork and and very slow moving energy. Knight of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. There's a lot of money coming your way. A lot of comfort. With this Empress card, you're going to produce a lot of comfort. You're going to produce Knight of Pentacles. What are you making? I feel like it looks like someone's like a superhero at night. Like at nighttime, you like do some serious work. Knight of Pentacles, and you do it every night. The Empress. The King of Cups. Someone wants to give you a lot of money because they love your energy. The energy that you put into something, it's like you put star quality, like, and like star, okay, it's like you make something like pretty and it's efficient. The Empress, whatever it is that you're producing here, Knight of Pentacles, it's like something that people need like in their house, like they need it. Knight of Pentacles, like, oh my God, why didn't I think of this idea, right? Because I feel like it's like this huge idea, Knight of Pentacles, that a lot of people could use this with the Empress card. It could improve people's lives in some sort of way. With the King of Cups. And you are gaining this through like healing yourself with the King of Cups. Like You're like, yeah, I used this oil to like help my little brother when they were sick here, and like now it's like a product that you sell. It's like a the Empress, King of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, Six of Cups. Yeah, like to heal my family. The Hangman. The Hangman. There's a the Hangman is like stuck energy, and with the Hangman I feel like later on down the line with the Six of Cups, like as you get older, as your children get older, they're starting to see why Knight of Pentacles, why you had to have something in like a particular order, why you had to do things a certain way. King of Cups, whatever it is that you're working on and you're making, King of Cups, it's very like delicate, so you need to like support it. Like it needs like extra support with the Hangman. It needs extra guidance, extra love, extra something here. There's something here that you own or that you possess here that needs extra caring because it is fragile. Two of Cups, and you love it. You could be meeting someone and it's going slow, you know, but there's there's like potential, there's hope for you know, a positive future with the Empress card, right? You're very hopeful about your future here. Knight of Pentacles, it's just dragging along, it's coming in really slow, but I mean, nothing worth having is easy, right? Ever. King of Cups, like, but you know, if you have like a deep love for it, like I feel like Six of Cups, you've always had like a thing for this thing. With the Hangman, you've always, Two of Pentacles, you've always been drawn to something here, or it's been available to you for you to use it. With the Empress card, the Fool, Strength, Aries energy, Leo energy, Pisces here, Aquarius, Taurus, Libra. All right, you got some heavy hitters up in here, yo. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands, there's an opportunity coming right around the corner. It's right there. And I don't see you closed off to it at all. Ace of Wands, you're actually quite excited. You're excited. Two of Cups, Six of Cups, to be doing something with like your family, right? The Fool card, the Strength card, like with the Empress card, like I feel like this is like your moment. You know, it's like a dream come true. It's something that you've always wanted. It's your moment. And you've got all this like strength behind it because you're connected. You're connected to something here. Knight of Pentacles. You've been waiting for it forever. You're in direct connection. Like you got the key and you're putting it in the fucking in the lock right now. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, there's something here that you're about to get. Like the door is opening. With the Strength card, you've got what it takes to walk through that door. The Fool card, you're excited. You're excited to leap right into Two of Cups. You're like, yes, this is right. With the Hangman, that's just how you see things. Six of Cups, and it's like your past has taught you that, you know, that something is worth it here. The Empress, you know, the hard work or the patience, you know, or like having that faith, you know. You're looking at all the things that have helped you get through. With the Hangman. I love it. I feel like there was something else I had to say, but I can't remember what it is. Anyways, that's what I have for you. Thank you so very much for joining me. Hopefully I'll see you all in your next video.